Welcome to Metrocasting. I'm Doug Farley. We are at the Holy Family School in Berwick to talk about something rather fun and interesting and also very caring as well. There's a penny drive going on in the Berwick area in the elementary schools. Kathy Stalega is here to tell us about what the money is going to go for.
Basically, 3 years ago, the children did a penny collection for the Berwick pool. They collected close to $10,000, 946,000 pennies they collected.
Wow.
So now we're basically opening the pool in June, and we're going to open it up with the penny drive.
And this money will be used to just finish off paying for everything, or what?
I wish it was going to pay, keep pulling kids, but no, it's basically going to add to our debt, basically. But it's also to make sure that the kids know if it wasn't for them, this pool would not be opening. They woke up the community. It's because of them and these pennies that this is happening. So we're going to make the kids know that even they can do something for the community that matters.
Well, and of course the kids are the ones who are going to be using the pool, most of them, right?
Oh, definitely. The pool is gorgeous. There's an area for the children. There's a Nemo fish that's absolutely cool and wonderful. There's a section for adults that we can sit in the water on these lounge chairs. It's just gorgeous.
It's a major step up from what the pool used to be.
Oh, you're not going to recognize it. Not going to recognize it at all. It's handicapped accessible. I mean, it's beautiful.
This process, and we're talking about the Burvon pool in Berwick, which was closed for a number of years, and they started those renovations 2 years ago?
3 years ago,
3
actually.
years ago they started.
3 years ago. That's 3 years ago we had the penny drive, and then the community decided they had to do something because the children woke up the community.
Yeah.
And there's a carnival May 24th for the entire week, and then the pool's opening in June.
When people come to see the new revised Burvon pool, what's it going to be different from before?
Everything. It's now one big, huge pool. It's not one pool and then a baby pool and a medium pool. It's one huge pool. And the mothers and fathers can actually be in the water with the children on the one end. There's going to be tables, picnic tables, and there's a bench going around it. So they're with the children. All the way on the other end, there's lounge chairs that they're in the water. So you can sit in the water, read your book, no children around you. And then the whole main pool, there's going to be rafts that are basically hooked to the bottom that you can sit on the raft and play. There's so much down there. It's beautiful. It's just gorgeous. And, of course, handicapped accessible.
And that's very, very important as well. So everybody gets to use this pool. Back to the fundraising. It's a penny drive right now for the kids. And I'm looking in these jars, and I'm seeing quarters, too. You're going to take pretty much anything at this point, right?
Once the kids basically open up this penny drive, it's not in my ballpark anymore. It's basically what they want to do. And every school is having a competition. And whatever class wins will get a pizza party. Ooh. And the whole class that wins, they're going to get
a major incentive for them.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, and they're excited. They're on fire.
And where did the penny idea for this drive come from 3 years ago and today? Where'd you get this idea from?
Well, you should remember that, Doug. It was a cancer telethon 35 years ago that we did. Linda Lupashansky and Marian Kovaleski and I pulled it off, and we collected like 800,000 pennies. Oh. So it's Berwick. Berwick just supports anything. I love Berwick. You know that.
We're now joined with Principal of Holy Family School, Dave Brown, and welcome, first of all.
Thank you, thank you. I love being here on TV and being surprised.
You love being in Berwick.
I do. Like I said, I discovered Berwick just by the internet when I found this job, and I've been here for the last 3.5 years enjoying life.
And you love it. And now you're involved with Kathy in a penny drive.
Well, I didn't know that was part of the plan when I signed my contract, but yes, I do enjoy Kathy. She, as you can see, I have pennies here that I have to distribute to kids for when they do random acts of kindness, because she said that she gave them to me and I wasn't supposed to just dole them out to kids. We sat in our computer class and we had a discussion about what are random acts of kindness that you can do here in your classroom and in your school, and all of a sudden I needed it validated, and now teachers are sending me slips, and I let the little kids come down, and as soon as I validate it and I said, here, it goes back in, and so we go. The easy part has been the rolled pennies. I was just telling Kathy, this bag of pennies will be more challenging. She wants me to count each one of them out, and I don't think I'll do that. I think just a scoop of pennies will have to do. But it's a wonderful thing, and the kids are all excited about it. And, I have not been to the pool, and I don't know really all the history of it, but I know that Kathy's very excited about it, and she likes the pool, loves the community, and she's always sending me faxes about let's do this, let's do that, let's do this, let's do that, and the kids all get excited about it. So what more can I say?
They do get excited. It's 10,000 pennies. We'll backtrack a little bit. Tell us, first of all, where did the Holy Family get the 10,000 pennies that they're handing out for random acts of kindness, and it's coming back? And well, Kathy, we'll start with you. Where did this money come from?
I was at Taste of Italy, and basically the owner gave me containers because I needed containers for the pennies. And one of the patrons that was in there handed me a $100 bill. And she said, take this to Holy Family School. It's a small school. And basically set it up that it's something fun for the kids, but make them earn it. So then I got to thinking, like, this is really crazy. I'm holding a $100 bill that's very light. I'm going to the bank and I'm getting 10,000 pennies. And then I'm going to carry it to them to Holy Family School. I'm going to give them to Mr. Brown. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to carry out the 10,000 pennies.
And more.
And more. But the children are doing random acts of kindness. So they're actually doing something for each other, plus they're earning pennies for this pizza party. So it's neat. It's cool.
It's a very cool idea. And how excited are the kids to be doing this?
Oh, come on. It's just like taking them to the candy store. As soon as you told them that there is a bonus involved in that, they come down here. I did this, I did that, I did this, I did that. I said, you can do this at home too, just so that mom and dad can benefit from it. But the other thing is we've got the carrot in front of the horse because pool pass, pizza. Pool pass, pizza.
I'm in.
Food, swimming. It didn't take long to convince all 102 kids that this is a good thing to do.
It's a fantastic operation. And, of course, you're getting the privilege of handing out and verifying the acts of kindness.
Oh, yeah, and especially the smaller they are, when you hand them those 2 rolls of pennies to take back to their classroom. And I said, now you don't take this home. You put it in the container on the desk. Ta-da! And they, oh, wow! And they smile and they walk out, and you've done something good.
That's awesome. And all the elementary schools in Berwick are doing this?
Every elementary school is doing it. In fact, when I leave here, I'm going to Salem to pick up pennies. Yesterday, I went to Orange Street and picked up pennies. News Stories actually doing it also, and they're on fire over there. They're all excited about it. So they'll get a pizza party and pool passes also. So, the kids are on fire. High school, middle school.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Bella's consignment shop on Orange Street,
right.
She's had a container out for 2 months, and she's been emptying it and filling it, with the clients there. There's pennies all over Berwick right now.
That's okay, but not for much longer because you're going to go right into the pool.
Well, basically, it's going to be Penny Lane, and we're going to play Beatle music, and it's going to be a great day.
I'm going to be there for that dance, too. Is there a phone number for people to call if they want information about where they can donate pennies?
My cell phone number is 394-7610, and if I don't pick it up, just leave a message, and definitely. My office is also 207 East Front Street, and I'll take pennies there, too.
That sounds good. Anything? Any final parting words?
Sure. Pennies from heaven. It benefits the pool. Come on, people.
Start singing.
Get involved. I don't know.
Every time it rains, it pours, pennies from heaven.
And on that note, we'll say thank you for watching. And donate your pennies. It goes to the Burvon Pool, and we'll talk to you again after later.